Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pre-order EDITS, an Instagram app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To pre-order EDITS, the new video editing app by Instagram, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store, and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the search bar and type in edit Instagram app, or simply type in edit Instagram. Now once it loads, here you'll be seeing the EDITS and Instagram app. Simply tap on the app, and now here what you need to do is, if the app is available for pre-order, you'll see a button labeled pre-order or get. If it's free, tap the button to reserve your download. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your pre-order. For free apps you won't be charged anything. For paid apps you'll be only charged upon the app's release. Now to ensure the app is automatically downloaded when it's released, what you need to do is head over and go to your settings, and now inside here what you need to do is search for App Store, and now here what you need to do is toggle this on, and the app will be downloaded automatically on release. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.